Ditch the hype. AI agents can make you $10,000 per month. Tired of AI agent hype? Let's cut through the noise and explore 7 real strategies for making $10,000 a month using AI in 2026. Using AI to optimize affiliate marketing campaigns can increase earnings by up to 300%. For example, a single campaign can generate between $3,000 to $6,000 per month. Start by choosing a niche and leveraging AI tools to create content and automate outreach. AI can help you find profitable products, optimize listings, and automate customer service. With the right strategy, an AI-driven e-commerce store can generate between $8,000 to $15,000 per month. Start by researching popular products and using AI tools to streamline your store's operations. I asked 3 AI experts to debate the future of AI agents. Offer personalized coaching services using AI-powered chatbots and earn between $5,000 to $10,000 per month. Start by identifying your area of expertise and using AI tools to create customized coaching programs. Use AI to create and sell digital products, such as ebooks, courses, or software. With the right marketing strategy, you can generate between $2,000 to $5,000 per month. Start by researching popular topics and using AI tools to create high-quality content. Leverage AI to analyze market trends and make data-driven trading decisions. With a solid strategy, you can generate between $10,000 to $20,000 per month. However, this approach requires significant expertise and risk management. Offer AI-powered marketing services to businesses and earn between $8,000 to $15,000 per month. Start by developing a portfolio of services and using AI tools to deliver high-quality results. Use AI to optimize drop shipping operations and earn between $3,000 to $6,000 per month. Start by researching popular products and using AI tools to streamline your supply chain and marketing efforts. Get started with AI agents and download our free cheat sheet.